little and then you can tap it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be in a certain patterns. You can do however you would like. And I'm gonna add burning heart. Oh, like that. And then now we're gonna using number 13, 12, I'm sorry, the crystal clear. Sorry, I need to get the crystal clear. And make sure you have a piece of paper right here so then you can able to clean your brush, your bristle with all of the like pigment. Not this one. And then that's created really perfect the marble veins for you. Can you share into the group for me?
Okay.
Thank you so much. So you only need just a little bit and then give it a little bit. Just tap. So it's kind of a fun, I know you consider as like a scary nails. I like to do is Halloween's. So like scary though, like
Not
a bloody.
really scary.
Not yet.
Very passionate, very red,
I like that.
very fiery.
So the best thing about fusion inks, Glitz fusion ink, it's so easy to create a veining and absorbing it right away in the matte top coat. If you have to pick one colors out, I would suggest to do one colors of whatever your favorite is. Can be majestic, can be is delight, calming, however you want. And then pick your matte top coat and crystal clear. So then that's where you can create is really easy and fun designs from the Fusionings collections. All right, if you're happy with this, we're all gonna leave it like that, and I am going to add just a little bit of a gold just a little bit of a gold painting. You know what? Oh, you know what? Let me get the
You want a precision bottle?
no, I want the yes, I know. I want the Weaver gel.
One Weaver?
The black one. If whatever you have. Give me whatever you have.
Oh, you want Gold Weaver?
Gold Weaver is good. Doesn't matter. Weaver gel.
You can do red too.
Oh, red's will be cool.
We see much red on it. Yep. So now making a special entrance. Weaver gel.
How's everyone doing? All right. The Gold Weaver gel. I'll show you yours. Give it a little stir up.
There you go. Now this girl came out. Looks super pretty.
Stir it up really nicely.
Oh, I like that girl. Oh, that'll make it look like some kind of golden candy.
Yeah. It's cute, huh? Like, I mean, cool.
Looks
So
like
just
golden
tweak it a little bit
caramel.
so you
I
can
think that's
remove it.
what caramel's supposed to look like. That's not.
Caramels? No, caramel's darker.
Exactly. It's like supposed to be the golden caramel. Like you whip that on any candy, I'll eat it.
This is looks amazing. It's nothing like in the pictures or on the website. It looks like really awesome in person. All right, so I'm gonna pick up. If you haven't get chance to see how I create this is really fun. It's just like the toothpick or whatever sticks. You just tape them 5 or 6 of them together, and then you can create really cool line. So you're going to do 1, 2, and then you can do like 1 stick, 2 sticks, I mean 3 stick, whatever, however you want. All right, it's flashed here for 30 seconds. The next one might be the black Velvetty Gel. That's gold, so beautiful. And then let's go into the move on to next. Let me recap this. At first, if you were picking one color as a fusioning, for instance, you pick one color, pick if you have to pick one colors, pick one of the whatever colors of your fusioning, but make sure you're getting your bestie, the fusioning bestie, which is matte top coat, and also the crystal clear. So these two will create a super easy, simple, quick for your marblings. That's all you need. You don't need any extra brush, anything else. It's only the crystal clears that you need. So I'm moving on the crystal placement. We're going to add some cute charms on. We are going to using condensed glue gel. First step from our crystal trifecta is first we're going to apply like have a good coat, but you don't want to do it too thick and too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So you're gonna able to add it more as you need it. And then we're going right on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. We are going to add the no wipe top coat. Close the lids for your condensed glue gels. And I'm looking for a wet top coat right here. I said wait, I just put it right here. All right, adding this. Tweezer. I get the golden chains. Scary, but it's fun. And cut off the excess chains that you don't want. You can use it for the next nails or for whatever, or maybe you save it to do in your earrings or whatever you want. And then scary face. I kind of like a scary face though, in like that.
Yeah, you should put the hand right next to him. It doesn't have to.
Yeah, it doesn't have to just like, oh my gosh, so adorable. Well, I mean, scary, adorable, whatever. I'm gonna add a couple of the crystal, which is I'm using the pumpkin spice and glow in the darks purple base. And you can add some beads on it. Hey, can you see? Hey, tune into my live, Mika. Oh, you're watching already? I didn't see. Sorry. Yeah, we've been working hard. Like I have, I'm so excited. And so, oh my God, okay. Let me take a break so then I can being here and doing live for all of you. Just getting ready for the front store open in Pensacola. Maybe it's getting a smaller one. All right, I think I'm happy. Want to put this in under the LED lamp for 60 seconds.